Welcome to this unique one-of-its-kind laboratory activity rightly titled Ideation and Innovation Laboratory, where we shall make the best of attempts to teach you use of laboratory tools, instruments and equipment by way of simple activities and projects. While the tools and equipment are for you to use freely but judiciously, do exercise caution and safeguards during use. Let us be responsible to enjoy and exercise our freedom. Welcome again to this project-based learning experience.
A multimeter, as its name suggests, is a versatile handheld, battery-operated instrument that can be used to measure multiple electrical quantities like voltage and current, DC as well as AC, and components like resistance. A few more component measurements like capacitance, inductance, transistor gain factor may also be available on multimeter models. The front panel of the multimeter may differ a bit from model to model, nevertheless the functionalities remain the same. Let us now try to understand the use of voltage and resistance measurements using a multimeter. A simplest voltage source as we can guess and have also used liberally is the pencil cell or dry cell, or also called the type AA battery. Over here we take a type AA battery, and with the identifiable two terminals as seen positive and negative, we house it neatly in its battery housing holder, ensuring that the two terminals match. Let us now measure the voltage using the multimeter. As we can see, the meter has two cords, the black one being common and the red one being the other. For the battery voltage measurement, we connect the black or common cord to the negative terminal and the red cord to the positive terminal of the battery and keep the meter dial setting for 20 volts DC. Note down the voltage displayed and repeat the measurement for dial setting. 2 and 200 volts. Now, ensuring similar connections and meters dial setting, repeat the measurement for the battery types, nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery and the battery type 18650 lithium ion rechargeable battery.